Alright.
Yeah. I need this to be screwed in now.
Okay, you wanna hold it?
Do we got screws? Do we got screws?
Alright, right here. Max, no geisha, I need you to hold me so I don't fall. You got me? Max, I need you to hold me. I'm serious. Max! What'd you just do, bro?
Nigga,
Stop fucking playing!
I dropped the wood so I could hold you, gang.
I'm good. I'm alright.
Nobody stand under this area. We in a safe place? Yeah, maybe you do.
Hold me.
Yo, that nigga really hurt, you heard? Yo, that nigga really hurt.
This is the most you talk all day.
Yo, mama. All that playing around, nigga, stop playing around.
Yo, don't
Trying to hold you. Don't sit on that.
Sit down right here and just hold me. You're pushing me. Just hold me.
Oh, shit.